Good morning, sir. What's for the ingredients? Do they have ingredients? Let's look at the flamingo. What are the ingredients in flamingo?
Water, acid. Let me see this shit. Water, aloe.
Oh, it has aloe vera in front. So you're paying for that. Let's see what else is in it. Cellulose.
Glycerin.
But this one has so many less, like, but does that have fragrance?
Probably.
I don't see one. Do you see fragrance?
Oh, fragrance, yeah.
So then I might as well get this.
Yeah, okay. Give me the other one.
I'm about to do this, y'all. Hold on. We're not doing flamingo.
Louis V my bag and Louis V on my belt. Chain swinging, diamonds blinking. Hold up, pistol swing.
Okay, y'all. I just picked up Hildana. You guys have seen Hildana before, but
At Starbucks.
And when we went to the beauty supply store, you wanted to do the blow out. You got the roller. Wait, Hildana's my girl. Anyways, y'all. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
The dreadhead?
Yeah.
Not Chief Keef.
Not Chief Keef. That was Daddy though. Good morning, sir. Y'all, so look, we're in Pike and Rose, right? Hildana and I are vlogging today because we're doing a little bit of stuff. So it's gonna be like a one-day vlog. She inspired me to do this. I wasn't gonna do it. Micro length free, y'all. Look at my hair.
Yeah, wait, you took it out yesterday?
No, a week. What's his?
What did I see you? Because it was like blown out, kind of.
Damn. Oh yeah, when was that? Oh no, it was last week. Because my mom washed my hair for me.
It looked good.
She washed my hair for me, y'all. Because with my I don't know. When you have nails, like, can you wash your hair? Is it just
no? It's bad.
Like, okay,
It's
people
not
think
the
I'm
best.
crazy, but
No.
like, I cannot. Like, you would think you would use your nails,
No.
but like, it does not work out for me.
It rips my hair.
Yeah, like, it does not work out for me. So my mom really just loves me. She helps me wash my hair.
Yeah,
So
my
I
mom
did a
does
deep
that.
conditioner.
What kind?
She uses this Beckman goat soap. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all, but it's really good. It really cleanses my hair.
Oh my god, all the ones in Bethesda are closed.
Really?
They open at 10. Since when do breakfast places open at 10?
I know.
Well, this one says 10:35.
Well, I'm trying to think of I'm gonna have to use my phone, y'all. This is her first time at
Not
Cowdy's.
gonna lie, it's actually good once I added my 50 packets of sugar. I like it. It gives it crunch.
I'm crying. Y'all, I'm always cold, right? So I have this, I keep this in my car from days like this. But anyways, we're at Cowdy. Look.
Hi, friends. Not your friend anymore.
Boo, come in.
I like the way you cover me by your.
With my cup. Yeah. Have to make it known.
I cannot.
Anyways.
But if you don't agree with me one more time, because I'm not going to half of your brother.
My brother.
Yeah.
Sister?
Yo.
So
Cowdy.
one time they did like this.
This girl makes me attracting people to me because I be coming to Cali all the time by myself. It's her, not me.
Okay. Now we will do
I'm super fried. You know what? I could have asked him to put syrup in it for you.
You having some drink with his face. I sit in the rain in the paint. This the first time seeing a break. Little bitch, you want to do what? Little disappointing in the flesh. Man, I hate when I grab in his face. All that booty you get in his face.
Look at how. Do you see my face? Look at
Skincare. I have to write down the list for Target. Oh my god.
But you know what I really need to do is like a cleanse, a juice cleanse. Boo, come say hi to my vlog when you're done. Yeah. My vlog.
Stop.
Don't play with her. She's so long. Yes.
I know Alondra. We used to work together at Nordstrom.
Period.
What a time.
Bye, boo. Y'all, I love her. Wow. And it's crazy. When I found out she worked here, I was like, wait, I'm about to start coming here all the time now. Well, even though I do.
you really do.
Right, but now I come here all the time. Anyways, yeah, my face is breaking out. But I need to juice. Like, it's an internal. It's like hormonal. Okay, maybe we could buy the canisters today.
let's not play pretend.
We're at Target, guys. I had to vlog. We haven't really been vlogging because we've been enjoying our time together. But so we were gonna get some Starbucks, but the girl was on her break, so we understand, right? Blue Way school supplies.
I have all my school stuff.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
need stuff for my room.
So, oh, they have some really cute stuff.
Right? Okay.
Some cute essentials. But anyways, you're gonna go back to Target. I mean, back to Step. I'm blowing Hildana because the number's not. What is that? Those are kind of cute.
I already have one of these.
Really?
Why do I
This is-
look feel like I could get these from
Oh, these
Loads?
BPA free. Oh, we should have went there first for real.
Right.
Wow. Anyways,
I
y'all,
can get my
let's
body
hopefully get
stuff here.
hopefully get some Starbucks.
So let's not play pretend. Brand new pair of jeans, and they come out their ring. Feel like they got soul in it, and the shoes I'm in, yeah. We gon' stuff it now. We gon' get with a friend, yeah. Fucking all alone, but we do it how we do. Yeah, 40 in your mouth, we gon' pop like some pop, and I have it rocked, like I'm playing house, yeah. And I think I own the sun, so many imposters. We gon' let them do the show, and then we rob some. 40 rearrange your time more time than Dennis Rodman. Nigga said, ooh, feel it in my fucking bag. In the UFO, in the shawty was a shag. Come on.
I got a Swanton caramel cream cold brew.
You should get extra cream. That's how I get it.
Oh really? Oh, I don't
bomb.
see. The thing is, like, y'all listen. I was. Hold on, wait. This bag is from Shein, and I paid $4.
No way. It's actually mad.
I think it was $4. It might have been
The
$5.
shoes.
The shoes are from Amazon. Bubble slides.
How much?
The Yeezys, they're not. I
How
paid
much?
$20.
20. Bodysuit.
$25 with shipping.
Get the fuck.
The socks are from Shein. Jumpsuit from Forever. 20.
It's really
The
cute.
shawty was a shag. Come on, with some farewell. Like my name was Ricky Bobby.
Why do my friends know me so well?
Can we do another take in? I'm cute, but it's giving a little dusty looking.
I don't like caramel, but this baby can get it any day. Wow, y'all, this Starbucks is so cute. Look, it has like this little outdoor area. Let me show y'all. They give you water. Let me show y'all.
Was Ricky Bobby. Like my name was Ricky Bobby. I'm a whistle for what Ricky Bobby. Was I mean welfare Ricky Bobby. I'm a get the baby did it stop
Offices. Y'all are cart stuff. Hold on. Let me take my coffee out of here. I'm so sorry. Oh, are you sure? Yeah, so what happened? Yeah, our car got stuck. Fire me. How do we do that? Thank you so much. I mean, would it make your job easier? Okay, yeah. Oh, she a pro, y'all. It's coming down with us. How do you get your cart stuck? Only me. If it was me, it probably wouldn't even. It would have been stuck forever. Yeah, I should have asked for extra cream. You right about that. Oh, that was a lot of cold brew. Damn, did you see that? How much cold brew she put? It was like basically to the rim. Our cart made us late for y'all. You know what I might do? I might well, as I sip it, ask for some extra cream. Oh, they have some cute bags. Oh, I need Moon toothpaste.
and I think I own the sun. So many imposters. We gon' let them do the show, and then we rob some. 40 rearrange your time more time than Dennis Rodman. Nigga said, ooh, feel it in my fucking bag.
Yes, I love that one. And it has aloe in it. Y'all, this is what. Do you know the girl on TikTok? She did the little commercial for this one. Should I get this? Vanilla and argan? I don't know, I feel like I want to try this. Every time I try, I spend my money on one of these like overly priced deodorants. It never works out. But I don't know. Why is this only $179, y'all?
This one is $2.99 too. I'm about to.
What's for the ingredients? Do they have ingredients? Let's look at the flamingo. What are the ingredients in flamingo?
Water, acid. Let me see this shit. Water, aloe.
Oh, it has aloe vera in front.
Mm-hmm.
So you're paying for that. Let's see what else is in it. Cellulose.
Glycerin.
But this one has so many less, like, but does that have fragrance?
Probably.
I don't see one. Do you see fragrance?
Mm-mm.
Oh, fragrance.
Oh, fragrance, yeah.
So then I might as well get this.
Yeah, okay. Give me the other one. We
I'm about
switch.
to
We'll
do
both that
this,
one.
y'all. Hold on. We're not doing flamingo. It's $179. I hope it don't break me out. I love this one. My brother likes this one. I think my brother likes this one. Oh no, he likes the other one.
Wait a minute.
It's good.
Yeah, this one's really good. It has blue lavender in it.
Okay.
This one is goji
So if I
berry.
decide to use
I
one of
love
the
native
things,
body
I
wash
use that.
too, like
By
a
itself,
lot. Yeah.
maybe twice a week.
Who took all the moon? There's no more. There's only native. I guess I can get native fluoride anti-cavity. I really like moon though. I'm sad.
Come on, what you feel? Well, like my name was Ricky Bobby. Like my name was Ricky Bobby. I'm a what you feel? Well, like Ricky Bobby. What's I mean? Welfare, Ricky Bobby. I'm a get the pain and did it stop me.
But
This outfit. This is what I wore to a concert, but it reminded me of that. This is Fashion Nova.
okay, wait, that's cute.
This is very cute.
I like the
And it
necklace.
reminded
What
me
stone
of
is that?
This is clear quartz. But my favorite is like rose or amethyst. Are you
Okay.
into crystals?
I'm not. I was for a while and then I stopped. Long story, but okay, just yeah. You guys, y'all.
Cute. Oh, you already filmed?
Yeah, I'm already filming because y'all are bomb. Wait, Kiki and what's her name? Shavana. Y'all, we just met them, and she's about to subscribe.
Okay, yeah. We're about to subscribe.
Yes, y'all are bomb.
What is your
We were talking about the fake skims. Well, not the fake skims, the Target skims. We're gonna put them on to the Target skims. God is speaking.
Please. I got my shit, guys.
How much did you spend?
Almost $200.
They're back to school, y'all. It's
But you know,
expensive.
I'm not gonna spend that shit.
Right.
when
It's
I
gonna
get it.
last her.
Yeah.
Finish my Starbucks. Y'all, everybody in there was so nice. We've been having a really good day. This has been a good
I'm
vlog.
shocked. I should leave the house in the morning more often.
Right. We've just been
this
what the we've been having a good day, y'all. But wait. Oh, it's hot though. Oh, it's hot. The weather's bipolar because it was Montgomery Mall. You think we'll have time?
11:42. I mean, yeah.
What's I mean? Welfare, Ricky Bobby. I'm a get the pain and did it stop me.
So good.
Y'all, I'm using my last phone battery to try to talk to y'all. Look at this shirt. I need it. I need that. Look at that.
It's so pretty.
Y'all.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's like a basic kind of. Forever 21.
Okay, the brown. I'm telling you the brown one. The brown one. Because the black one, I don't like the strings.
Oh. Somebody
I say the brown one.
Yes, right.
Right. She asked all of us.
Keychain or no keychain?
It's $2.
It's so cute. It's not $2, it's $5.
Okay, two when you do
I'm gonna get it.
Klarna.
Okay, let
When
me
she
do
do
the-
that for.
Let me do the bro.
If you use a Klarna, get everything this way.
Girl, you go use the Klarna.
Get your guy, won't even know to zip me. At your hand.